Good evening everyone. So it's March 3 today and it's time check, it's 6 p.m. or near 7 p.m. and right now there's a lunar eclipse. So yeah, so later on there's a lunar eclipse, and mind if you don't know, today is full moon, right? But the moon is already look like this. Yes, see, it's already half, and knowing that it's full moon tonight, but it's already half, I don't know. Oh my god, it said it's the lunar eclipse ay mamaya pang mga 7 p.m. or 7:30, something like that, but it's already, ayan guys, so ano na siya, konti na lang yung natira na makikita, and I'm so grateful na we have a good weather today. There's no rain and no clouds. Kaya kitang-kita talaga yung moon. Kaso lang, madilim na siya. Oh my God. Okay, naka-zoom na tong camera ko guys. So, ayan na ngayon yung moon. Kaunti na lang yung lumalabas. Oh my God. It's amazing. Let's zoom in some more. Amazing. Hindi na talaga siya makita. Ano? Yan, konti na lang.